ಹೆಲೋ ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಟು ಮೈ ಚಾನಲ್. ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು 8th ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ನ ಲಾಲ್ ಬಹದ್ದೂರ್ ಶಾಸ್ತ್ರಿ ಸಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟರಿ ರೀಡಿಂಗ್ ಈ ಪಾಠದ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೋತ್ತರಗಳನ್ನು ನೋಡೋಣ. ನೀವಿನ್ನು ನಮ್ಮ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್, ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಈಚ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಫಾಲೋವಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಅ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಟು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, why is October 2 a special day in the history of India? Answer, October 2 is the most important day in the history of India because it is the birth of two great sons of India. One is Mahatma Gandhi and other is Lal Bahadur Shastri. Second one, where did Lal Bahadur have his education after his studies at school? Answer, after his school, Lal Bahadur had his studies at Kashi Vidyapita in Varanasi. Third one, name at least two positions that Lal Bahadur held as an administrator. Answer, he was the transport minister of UP, he was the railway minister at the center, he was the home minister and prime minister of India. Fourth one, what do you think Lal Bahadur refused to stay at home even during the days of parole? Answer, he had come home on parole to meet his daughter who was suffering from smallpox, but unfortunately she died on the same day when Shastriji came to meet her. So he thought it was not proper to stay more as his purpose of coming was served. So after performing final rites, he returned to the prison. Fifth one, when did Lal Bahadur resign his post as railway minister? What was the reason he gave for this act? Answer, Lal Bahadur resigned his post as the railway minister after the Ariyuru railway accident. He resigned because he accepted the moral responsibility for the accident. Sixth one, how did he respond to the Pakistan attack? Answer, when Pakistan attacked Jammu and Kashmir, Shastri declared in the parliament force will be met with a force. He gave the army freedom to take action against Pakistan and teach it a lesson. And move to the second part. Answer each of the following in a paragraph of 10 to 12 sentences. First one, give an account of Lal Bahadur's education. Answer to the first question is, after his school education, he went to Varanasi and joined Kashi Vidyapita and studied there for 4 years. As a student, he was bright in subjects like physiology, economics, political science, and social science. He had to walk 8 miles each way. He was so poor that he could not buy a bicycle. He got the degree Shastri while he was studying at Kashi Vidyapita. And second one, narrate any one incident from Lal Bahadur's life which highlights his honesty. Answer, he was an honest man. The following two incidents highlight his honesty. One, he was released under the parole of 15 days to see his sick daughter. Unfortunately, she died after the abacus returned 3 to 4 days before, even though his family pleaded with him to stay back. The other incident was after the Ariyulu railway accident. He accepted the moral responsibility and resigned from the cabinet. Third question, imagine you are supposed to speak on the life of Lal Bahadur Shastri and you are given not more than 3 minutes for your speech. Note down the points based on which you can develop your speech. Example, Lal Bahadur's sincerity. B, with the mango seller. His resignation. Answer, Lal Bahadur had his studies at Kashi Vidyapita in Varanasi. Later he became Home Minister and Prime Minister of India. When a railway incident happened in Ariyulu, he resigned the post, so he gave the reason for moral responsibility. When Pakistan attacked Jammu and Kashmir, Shastri declared that force will be met with a force. He gave freedom to buy army to take action. The Indian army defeated Pakistan and take action. The Indian army thought it a lesson. When Shastri's daughter contracted smallpox, the government agreed to release on parole for 15 days. Unfortunately, she died on the same day, so he thought it was not proper to stay more. So, after performing the final rites, he returned to the prison. This incident shows how honest Shastri was. Thank you everyone. See you in the next video.